Right. So, no. So I want viewers and listeners, what they must understand when they hear some of our leaders speak, no matter how much we can love them, especially where colonizers are involved and they want these minerals. When some of our leaders are speaking, it doesn't matter which leader and how much you trust them, right? It can be Mbeki, it can be Zuma, it can be Kagame and all that. Some of the things they say and they want to buttress their position, support their position, it doesn't necessarily mean they will tell you everything. They do have certain confidential things, certain secret things they cannot say. So sometimes they can
especially in the media.
Yeah, especially in the media.
Yeah.
So for instance, if there's an interview about Ramaphosa, he might tell you the truth but not the whole truth. If it's Kagame, he might tell you a little bit of that truth but not the whole truth. So take everything with a pinch of salt. What President Kagame says, or what President Ramaphosa says, or whatever president, because the Rwanda issue is a very sensitive issue. Very sensitive. Yeah. It's not about this tribal affair. Yes, they've roped it in to make it look like, because now it's costing people's life. And it does. It ends up looking like it because it looks like a duck. It quacks like a duck. It becomes, you will think. So to a mind that is not trained, you will think it's really a tribal issue, right? But it's really not. And I quickly want to say also,